God is saying to you today, you are blessed by my grace. Israelites grumbled against me, stood against me, they had disobeyed me, they had disobeyed my commandments. But still I have forgiven them, blessed them, and fulfilled the promise that I have given to them by my grace. When you look into your life, there are times when you have grumbled against me, stood against me, disobeyed me. But still, when you look into your life, you can see how blessed you are and how much of my grace you have in your life. Do you know why I am showing my grace in your life? It is because you are my child and I love you a lot. Remember, I have fulfilled the promise that I have given to Israelites. In the same way, you too have a promise. I am forever faithful to fulfill it too. Obey me and have faith in me. Type yes if you believe in me and also subscribe the channel.